Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's quick tutorial, I'll show you how to change the language in Battlefield REDSEC, whether you're playing through Steam or the EA app. Let's get started for Steam users. First, open Steam and go to your library. Locate Battlefield 6, right-click on it and select Properties. In the General tab, look for the Language section. From the drop-down menu, choose the language you want to use. Once you've selected it, simply close the window and wait for Steam to update your game files to apply the new language settings. For EA app users, if you're using the EA app, open it and find Battlefield REDSEC or Battlefield 6 in your library. Click on the three dots or the Manage option next to the game title. Then select View Properties. In the Language section, pick your preferred language from the drop-down list. Click Save to apply the changes. Finally, close the window and wait for the EA app to update the game to the new language version. And that's it! You've successfully changed the language in Battlefield REDSEC, whether you're on Steam or the EA app. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.